Chrome, you first have to navigate to your Google Chrome browser and click on it. On this interface, navigate to the top right corner where you see these 3 dots. A drop-up menu will appear with a list of options. Consider to tap on Settings. Then with this selected, when you scroll down a bit, you could see Privacy and Settings. Make sure to click on it. Then under Privacy and Settings, when you scroll down a bit, you could see Safe Browsing. Then proceed to tap on it, and this is where the magic will happen. Proceed to select on Enhance Protection. Then with this selected, make sure to tap on this arrow beside it. After that, navigate back and then scroll down until you locate Use Secure DNS and tap on it. Then with this selected, if yours is already toggled off, make sure this is toggled on. Then continue to tap on Choose Another Provider. Then with this selected, make sure to tap on this custom icon. Then proceed to tap on Clean Browsing till you have successfully enabled Safe Search filter in your phone on Google Chrome. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.